Ever thought capsicum could become a chutney? This flavorful capsicum chutney is the perfect mix of spice, sweetness and that smoky aroma. Your family will really thank you and you will be making this chutney again and again. Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Welcome back to day 6 of our 30 days 30 side dish recipes. And if you have been following us, you will know that every day brings a new flavor. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you will never run out of ideas for your side dishes. Here's what you'll need. 1 green capsicum or bell pepper as it is also called, 1 onion, 2 to 3 dry red chilies, 2 garlic pods, a small piece of tamarind, 1 tablespoon of this roasted Channa dal. This will give the thickness to your chutney, salt to taste and a teaspoon of oil. Heat oil in a pan, add the dry red chilies and the garlic. First saute it for a minute or so. Next add in the chopped onion and fry it till the onion turns golden. When the onions turn slightly golden, add in the chopped capsicum. Fry it till the capsicum becomes soft. Also add a small piece of tamarind along with it. When the capsicums become soft, switch it off and allow it to cool. When cool, add it to your blender jar. Add this bhuna chana or roasted gram. Add salt. Add a splash of water while grinding and grind it into a slightly coarse chutney. For that South Indian touch, do the tempering with a teaspoon of oil, some mustard seeds, urad dal, the dals turn golden, add in the curry leaves and pour this over the chutney. That's your final flavor burst and there you go, our colorful capsicum chutney, slightly smoky, mildly sweet and perfectly spicy. A great change from the usual coconut or tomato chutney. Try it with dosa, idli or even a great combo for roti or chapati too. Today I am just serving it with some roti. We will serve this capsicum chutney as a combo. This chutney brightened your breakfast. Share it with your family and friends and we'll meet again with another interesting twist in our side dish recipes. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen.